Gagawa tayo ng low-carb mayonnaise. Sa isang mixing bowl, maglagay ng green dahan, egg yolk powder. Kung walang egg yolk powder, pwede po gumamit ng fresh or raw egg yolk. 1:1 lang po yung ginamit kong egg yolk powder and water. Then add green dahan Himalayan pink salt, pure allulose, and coconut cider vinegar. Pagkatapos, haluin ng maigi. If you love this recipe, please like and share and follow me for more low-carb recipes and health tips. Now add butter. Then continue whipping until we achieve a smooth and creamy consistency. At yung color dapat very pale yellow. Ang list of ingredients ay ilalagay ko sa last part ng video na ito. Dahil na-achieve na natin ang tamang color and consistency, ready to serve na po ito. At ito na ang ating very simple and very easy low-carb mayonnaise.
Sa tindahan, low-carb essentials ay kumpletong